Hey, we've gotten through so much of the process already. Now, the next part that we are moving on to, which everyone should be anticipating and ready for, is underwriting. All the work that we've done so far leads us up to this very moment, and underwriting is where we take all of the information that you've supplied us, that the seller has supplied us, the information that we found out on our own, and the information about the property, and put it all together to make a nice, neat package to prove that, yes, you really are deserving of this loan. And with the underwriter will take all of this information and compile it, and they do a system of checks and balances. Some things we don't even understand, and we don't even know what they go through. But I need you to keep in mind, it does take time. It's not just a 20-second look at the papers that you sent. No, they go through everything thoroughly to make sure that you are deserving of this loan and the property will suit your needs. That's what they do, and they're professionals at it. So if my loan coordinator or my mortgage consultant comes back to you and asks you for more information, please give it to them. You may feel that you've given it already, but sometimes the underwriter does need a little bit of clarity and a little bit of help just to make sure that they are doing the right things by you and that the information that you supplied will meet the investor's needs as well. Because we want to make sure that you get this home and that there are no barriers. Nothing will stop you from getting this home, and that's what they do. So if you've got any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Just let me know. If you don't understand something, you can always reach out to me, 630-299-6487, or shoot me an email, quick text, whatever you need. I am here for you to answer any questions that you may have. So let's get you through underwriting.